Jill. Peekaboo.
Kurt, go to the camera and give the camera a kiss.
Jillian. Don't get any nose.
Open at 8:30.
Yep.
Walk around the planes, talk to them, even sit in some of the cockpits.
Go get your mom.
Tickets $7.50 for adults in advance, $9 at the gate. Seniors and children $4.50 in advance, $6 at the gate. Or get a family pass good for 6 per vehicle, only $30 in advance in Japan, camera, and mobile air stores. The London International Air Show, brought to you by Molson Canadian. What beers all about? In association with CFBL TV London.
You got to get your hair down in here.
Yes. Come on, scoop. Really, Rick? Come on.
Take a picture of my good cow.
Which one?
300 PCA cow. You catch your rear end.
I hear it too.
There she is.
Yeah.
Come on, girls, let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Is it okay to let this new one go?
Yeah.
Have they got bows in their hair and all that? Braids?
This is our pharmacist.
Why? Where are they again? Past there in Dundas. Yeah. You guys ready to go? See? You see him?
You gonna go pet him?
One that we found at Grant's.
Go pet him, Kara.
Jill, Jillian, come over here. Oh, this way, right here. Come on.
Can we go pet him?
Yeah, I want to go pet him, Mom.
He's gone.
Pick off. Where's he? Where's he? See your horses? Okay.
Jillian, come here. Jill. Jillian. Come here.
Now, you're not supposed to take the dirty stalls.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, yeah.
So where's the baby?
In there, in here. Hi, Kara. Hi, Jillian.
It's like a barnyard in here. Where's old McDonald?
Where's my mom?
Well, watch Jill or...
Hey, Jillian.
Oh, babies.
one woman come in after you left, and she was really mad. It was right there. I don't know where.
Well, it was Leslie's mother.
I don't know where she came.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Was it?
Leslie, our babysitter's mother.
Oh,
She came and
well, I haven't-
I didn't know.
that's where I came.
She's less than 24 hours.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Look at her.
Tell her the right way to get there. And then
Carly with a K.
Where'd she come from?
You want to see here? I can lift you. No? Oh, what's here? You saw him already. I know. Don't scare her, okay? Don't scare her.
Look at the chest on her already.
It's okay, Candy. Good girl.
She's got a bigger chest than looking I have.
Okay. It's okay. Going. It's okay, Colleen. It's okay, Colleen.
Hey, Colleen, let's move your foretop down there. You look
I'm
better that way.
detecting it. Oh, boy. Back up, kid. Turn around. Back up. Back up. There she is.
you never knew where all of your good shoes.
Hi.
You didn't really think last night you were going to attract all these people, did you?
It's $10 a view.
It's $100 to look at the video copy.
Hey, you guys.
Don't get
I
excited.
think you should have the calves outside and let them run around and let's take a picture of them. They were so funny the other night you let them out. They're just
We got
crazy.
3 now. Look at the dog
Walking
playing
around
with
pretty
the other.
The
well now.
dogs are interesting, right? They're biting
A
you.
little shaky behind the legs yet. Now there's a nice rear view. Get that.
Not much of an udder.
Well, for a horse, that's a big udder.
Yeah.
They don't supply much at one time. They supply a little bit over a long
Oh.
period of time.
I suppose you want to get a picture of her stocking. Does that about every 10 minutes.
Listen.
Really? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes, wide open.
Be careful. My forehead. Carly, good girl. Named it Carly?
Carly's the baby. This is Colleen.
I can't sit on.
Hey, Ricky.
I want to go back to house and get some pickles.
No, wipe your shoes off.
Look at how well behaved she is
What a
now.
nice little pup.
I said I'm Jenny right today. He is fine. Hi, Colleen.
She's gonna play around.
Car.
Sure, I could do because of the money.
You want a whole team, whole cat.
Colleen.
Got it that time?
Wild. Hook her up to the wagon. Does she know she's a workhorse?
Not yet.
This one's a girl. That's a boy, too.
This must be the boil. This is the girl. That's the boy there.
And that's
How come the girl has to
nice.
get raised in the boil?
She doesn't got a ponytail. What? That one.
Maybe. Okay, like
What? Sweet. Go out.
like rabbit. I think she had a couple rabbits on
She's eating her supper, Kara. She's eating. Don't worry, mommy.
Start with 12 rabbits. How long did I do this for?
How long is she stuck for?
No,
Just a
like-
couple minutes.
No. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 months.
Oh, how? Oh, a year or more.
Wow. Does she need anything else?
Not yet.
They'll start eating hay and stuff.
Yeah.
So they nurse for a year.
They can or more. As long
Maybe
as the mother will let them.
they'd be as big as the mother.
I know.
Where's Aunt Kathleen?
Get a lamb, hold it right up to the mother's udder.
What's? Oh, she was getting some milk.
Right. Just like you used to.
See, she's dripping. She got stimulated. Oh, hi, big Colleen.
Kara?
She's right there.
You see how I
You
can
didn't really
see?
want to examine the afterbirth, Sally?
Sorry?
You didn't really want to examine the afterbirth milk?
I don't. You should have though.
I did, sort of. To put it out.
She'd be sick by now.
Fun.
Bye.
Go McDonald's farm anytime.
Kirk. What did you do? Smack him. Well, it's because Kirk.
horse, the course. Tickle, tickle.
It started over.
Very nice. Come on, give me your horse. It's rude stuff.
Mom, I'm thirsty.
Get something to drink when we get home.
No, I shouldn't drink
What? Look, go watch the calves. And Kathleen's gonna let them run outside, and they're real funny to watch.
I want something.
Okay. She's on
I
camera.
want something to drink.
Oh, Kirk. Go watch the calves and watch how fun they'll be to watch.
Inside what?
Huh?
I want my shoes inside
Well,
what?
you can't walk on the ground when you're easily. I have to wash
I
your
want that. Carry me.
Are you coming or going, Steven?
Hey, do me, Uncle Rick. I'm gonna show us a video over again. Can you show us a video again?
She can run in her bare feet, eh? Doesn't run very fast in her shoes.
Hi, Jill.
See.
Hey, peekaboo. You're a pretty girl.
Was number one, and they said we're going to have $10,000. See you next time.
Your show is on that.
Your show. Did you find them, Sally?
Top drawer.
Second drawer. There's one.
Pick up your bouquet. For her to warm up. And for the snow to melt. Yeah. You know, fire makes a no mouth.
Hold on to me.
Yes, get a baby.
No, no. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hmm? Back up, Kara. Okay. Hi. Hi, Colleen. Hi, Colleen. Hi. Okay. We'll get you going, Colleen. Carly.
Let's get back on the
Hi, Carly.
for? Mom, know what this is for?
What, honey?
Joe. What's that? What is that? Stone. Up there. Joe, two girls fly softly. Tell her why I found it, okay? I found it. Right there. Okay? Ooh. Why are they way over there?
Because Carly is nursing. Kirk.
That's the water.
Now, Dad.
For outstanding installation.
Work all day, work all night.
I support your growing family.
Was that 30 seconds?
That's HAD Mechanical. Call 452-3764.
Back up in 30 seconds.
Now she does the 20.
Oh, yeah, wait for 30
Yeah, we
seconds.
gotta get this on tape. You guys see?
The perfectly normal person
3.5, 4.
Okay, let's go play.
Up, 4.
Mom, play camera.